Freeze drying milk is easy. First step is place the tray into your freezer and then put the milk into the tray once it is in the freezer, because obviously it will be difficult to move the tray once the liquid milk is inside. Once the material is frozen, put it to the freeze dryer and you can immediately start the drying process. Drying will take approximately 24 to 36 hours. It depends on your end temperature, obviously. Once it's dry, you can remove it. It will not be a powder immediately, it will be more like a dry cake. But once you put it in a bag and you squeeze it a little bit with the hands, then the material will become a powder and you have milk powder. It should be packed really well in Mylar bags because it actually does attract humidity and moisture very well.